cowboy showed up today, so we are going to load some cattle and take them to the sale. So what you do on the farm, take your horses and then you round up the cattle and you take them in to sell. I have the trailer all locked on and ready to go. You can see that. I gotta fill up some fuel. We were just on the tractor trying to get some things squared away. My mom and my cousin are the cowboys and girls. You'll see them on the horses, and they're gonna round up, I think, approximately 25 cows, and we're gonna take them to the sale this morning. Right now I'm taking the tow vehicle with the trailer and I'm gonna fill up some fuel, and then we're gonna get this show on the road. So I'll show you kind of a day in the life of a country boy. We're just filling up right at the house. Here's the better look at the cattle trailer. We're just kind of getting set up and then we're gonna load these cattle. Glenn's probably telling them what we're gonna do, so. It's all set. Ready to go.
I can't believe it. Couldn't work them back there. Now your mom shows up and like these.
I was gonna say, you're supposed to be riding your horse, not leading it. How do you know which ones you're gonna eat?
Well, that one along the fence I'm gonna eat. That big one that comes.
He's a big one.
Uh-huh.
Got these wild heifers right back here by the back. How many wild heifers you got up in the corner? Right here.
Yeah, look at it.
We got a few in there already.
She's a wild stuff. She goes in the trail. Yeah, run him out there. Don't let him come out, Rick.
Gotcha. They're fine.
Yeah. Yep. 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 Yep.
Get in there.
Yep. Yep.
Get in there.
Yep. Okay, Rick. Yeah. Are you ready, Rick?
I'm ready.
Yep. Shut her down. Okay. Count 12, Caden?
Yep.
Okay.
12 of them? Well, there you have it. That's how you bring the cattle to the sale barn. We're in Oberlin, Kansas.
It's when you do that, you want, like I told you the other day, feel here, just a little tug. Tug, 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 See, I'm giving him a release. Right there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Sitting not 7 hours one day and 9 hours the next.
Crazy.
That's what I
She
said.
has more energy than the
Kill
horse.
me off.
She has more energy than the horse.
Look at that. Look.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
You want him? Don't let him run and go too fast. All right.
And there they go.
There they go. Grandma and grandson.
Yep.
That looked good with you and her out there.
Your,
She likes him.
your horse is done. It's gone.
There's that one there.
Yep. Now you gotta
Good as
train
dead.
another
I
one.
gotta go get another one.
Yep. Oh, okay. All right, back. Okay, back.
Go back and turn him.
Turn him.
Sometimes when it's hot, he'll get down in there like that, and then they'll start lifting their leg, and they'll start pawing a little bit.
Yeah.
They're gonna lay down with you. I'd get him out of there.
All right, let's go.